This water. I'm Fox 4 meteorologist Shred Eric. Got to get you out the door here on this Thursday, and we'll start by taking a look across the Caloosahatchee. This camera sits there at the luminary, and you can see North Fort Myers in the distance. No fog this morning, but we do have some rain showing up on the radar. We've been talking the last couple of days about the potential of some isolated showers, about a 10 to 20% chance on your Thursday. Well, they moved in already this morning, and they're quickly moving out. And while the radar is showing those showers move out near Lake Okeechobee, it actually looks a little more ominous than it is. If you walk out to your car this morning, you'll probably notice some drops on it. It didn't amount to much when it came through. A lot of this is not reaching the surface. What is not giving us a whole lot here to start your Thursday. Unfortunately, with the showers comes the clouds. Clouds are not going to break much here today. We're going to go mostly cloudy. Sun will attempt to peek through at times. Isolated showers not out of the question here again later on this afternoon and this evening, and those clouds are going to stick around overnight. We're starting your day in the mid to upper 50s, not too far off our average of 54, but we're up 2 degrees from this point yesterday, and part of that is a little more humidity and the cloud deck that's going to be in place here for a while. As far as the wind, it's out of the north right now, sustained near 10. And the gusts aren't registering yet, but pretty quickly we'll start to see those winds gusts some 15 to 20 miles per hour. And what that's going to do for us is make it feel even cooler outside, especially with our temperatures only expected to get up around 68 degrees. 66 out towards the lake, 67 in Arcadia, and then overnight tonight we get back in the low 50s. Matter of fact, Arcadia will be at 50, and we get a little warmer there in southern Collier. Across the rest of the country, it's actually warmed up quite a bit. Last couple of days, Minneapolis, we've been looking at -8, -6. We had single digits from Chicago, Indianapolis through Columbus yesterday. This is temporary because we have a second blast of extremely cold air coming in late in the weekend into early next week. For us, all of our attention goes to the little disturbance and overrunning. We're going to see the clouds and a couple of showers here today, and tomorrow we're hoping to see a little more sunshine breakthrough, possibly even late. And then on Saturday, we start to watch to the north. That's the next cold front that you can see draped across the panhandle. That will arrive here on Sunday, bringing us a 70% chance of showers, maybe even a thunderstorm before cooler temperatures arrive there on Monday. The first cold outbreak is going to exit the East Coast. We still see some cool weather here Thursday night into Friday. Then watch this. A massive area of extremely cold air is going to dive to the south, and we are looking at overnight lows here for the Midwest, -4, -8. You factor in the wind. Those wind chill values could get between -20 and -30. So that is going to be a very dangerous setup here for the northern tier, the eastern half of the U.S. It will actually amplify a little bit there on Tuesday before moving on out. Now, as far as our weather, most of that really cold stuff is going to stay to the north, but it will push that front through on Sunday, dump our temperatures down there on Monday, and a few of those showers could linger there Tuesday and Wednesday.